Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can synchronize your notes in Evernote. It's quite an easy step as Evernote does most of the work automatically, but if you want to synchronize some of your notes into a folder into your computer, it's quite an easy step. So what you can do is to click on your profile on the top left corner and click on Settings. After this, you will see an option where it says Sync Folders. Click on it and click on Connect a Folder. After this, you can select a folder in your system where you feel like you can put in all of your notes. So I have created a folder in documents which says my notes, and I'll click on select, and you can click on apply changes after selecting that folder. So once the process is complete, you have now connected a folder with Evernote so that all your notes are synced to that folder. In case the internet goes off, it can reload your notes as they were. But if you want to synchronize Evernote across devices, all you need to do is to log in with the same account, and all your changes will reflect in real time within all of those devices automatically. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can synchronize your Evernote. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.